How to delete chats on Instagram in iPhone. So if you have some chat on your Instagram account with someone and now you want to delete the chat on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, it doesn't matter whether the chat is on vanish mode or not. So if it's on vanish mode, there's no need to delete chat. But if the chat is not on vanish mode, then here are the steps you need to take to delete chat on your Instagram. Then go ahead and open the chat where you want to delete the chat. Then press and hold it just like this. Then once you press and hold it, you're going to see this menu comes up. On the menu, you're going to have delete for you or unsend. If you want to only delete the Instagram chat for you, just go ahead and click on delete for you. And once you tap delete for you, this is going to prompt to delete only for you, while the other person will be able to still read the message. However, if you want to delete for you and also delete from the person, press and hold the message just like this, then tap on send. Then you should see the message on send, and once on send, the message will disappear. Even if the message has been read by the recipient, just go ahead, press and hold the message. On the menu, don't delete for you, otherwise the person will still be able to have access to the message. But go ahead and tap on send. And then you can do this on all the messages you want to delete on the Instagram chat. So just press the message and hold it, then tap on send. So you can repeat this on all messages you sent. But if you do the same thing on the other person send, you can only delete message for you. See that? So this is a message I got from this particular person, this user. Then you cannot unsend, it can only delete for you. So if you delete for you, this message is going to disappear on your Instagram chat. So that is basically how to delete chat on Instagram in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.